welcome back to Pretty Little Makers. I am Siddhi and Akshita is back in Mumbai. Right now I am in Kolhapur. So we left my place last night and stayed back in Kolhapur at my uncle's place. And now we are going to Konkan for our Ganpati celebration. So we have a 5-day Ganpati and we are going to enjoy there with all my cousins and family. So I am going to take you along. I hope you like it. See you. Okay, hi guys, it's the second day and yesterday I did not film a lot because we were traveling half the day and the rest half was spent at home with family. So it's the Ganesh Chaturthi day and we are going to get our Ganpati Bappa home. So, Ganpati Bappa!
Moria!
Ganpati Bappa!
Moria!
So guys, we got our Bappa at our place and now there's Sthapana going on. My dad is doing the puja and that's why there's so much noise in the background. But all the 5 days that we are here, it is so good. Like my village is about 25 kilometers away from Kankavli. If you know the Konkan area, you would know what Kankavli, where Kankavli is. And so it's a very quiet place basically. And in Ganpati, it's all jazzy and there's so much sound going on and lights, everything. It's so festive over here. So we wait for that time of the year when we'll be here with our family, and it is just so good and so different from what it is in Mumbai. Right now, there's puja going on downstairs, and all the ladies of the house are making modaks for the Bappa. And we just decorated the Ganesh Murti, like added some lace and I can just talk about it for long hours because it's so good. तसं नाही ते हे खाली आहे असं आहे पण हे 3 फिंगर्स डोक्यावर
नाही
आलं कसं आलं कसं आलं
फोटो काढला फोटो काढतो
I did it. I don't know how I did it. So guys, it is 10:30 AM on day 3 of Konkan and we are out on this place. Out on this place, we call it Sada. I don't know what it is called in English, but I think it's just a plain area. And it is such a beautiful location for photo shoots. Lovely. So we just got a few pictures and it's just so beautiful. It's day 4 and it's beach day. Hi guys, it's the 6th day of Ganpati and our Bappa is gone now. We are done with the Visarjan yesterday and I know I just lost track of all my vlogging skills and after the 3rd day or so, and so this is me trying to get the vlog together. So I think the last vlog I recorded was on the beach and after that I just took clips here and there and I did not vlog at all. So the night of the 3rd day was a bhajan night at our place. Bhajan night is where about 20 people from the village come together for bhajans and it was our turn that day. And mom had made some amazing pav bhaji that day. And yeah, that's about it about the 3rd day. On the 4th day was our Gauri ceremony where Gauri comes to your place, and in our village there's one house where the Gauri comes and all the savants go there and do all the puja and all that stuff. So that was a Gauri day. Then comes yesterday, which was the 5th day of Ganpati and it was the Visarjan day of our Bappa. गणपतीचा जय जयकार गणपती बाप्पा मोरया मंगल मूर्ती मोरया गणपती बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ती आम्हाला मोरया मंगल मूर्ती मोरया
गणपती बाप्पा
मोरया
मंगल मूर्ती
मोरया
बाप्पा बाप्पा
मोरया
उंदीर मामा की
जय. Yeah, that was it. So this is me just trying to update you all about the last 3 days because I did not vlog at all. And I just love coming here every year. We come here every year, like I told you guys before. There's these little joys that you get when you come here, be it, the hen roaming around here and there, or, just taking a torch to go from one point to another, and waking up to this view all day, every day. And so it is just these little joys that bring me back every year, and the people here are just too sweet and they are just amazing. So I don't think I'll ever stop coming here. It's on record now, but it's just so much fun and peaceful. I've had the best sleep of my entire life every year here. So I recommend you to come to Konkan at least once in your life because it is just a very beautiful place. So do come here. I think that's about it for this vlog today. Right now we are leaving for Amboli, but I don't think I'll be vlogging there, but I'll be putting up pictures of Amboli on our Insta. It's this, and it's also linked down below, so they'll be on the highlights. You can check it out there. So but for this vlog, this is it. I'll see you in the next video with Akshata. That's it. Thank you so much for joining me with my Konkan journey, and yeah, that's it. Bye.
Like and subscribe.